In this video, I'm going to show you about CoE Maker Command Center app. Now, in my earlier video, I have shown you how the CoE Admin Command Center works. Now, this is a similar application. It is primarily used by makers who contribute to your tenant in terms of Power Platform implementation of apps, flows, reports. Now, this is primarily used by CoE makers. You can view the bookmarks configured by an admin. Uh, and then there are external links like blogs, learning path, release wave notes. So I'll show you in a demo uh, how this application works. Okay, so again, I'm in make.powerapps.com. I'm into the Center of Excellence Core Component solution. I'm inside the solution. I've navigated to the app. I will click on CoE Maker Command Center. Now, I don't want to edit the app, so what I'm going to do is I can click on 3 meatball icon over here and I click on play. The moment I do that, I'll be navigated to this page. So this is a model-driven app, CoE Maker Command Center. Now, as you see in the bookmark, you can't do much thing over here. You will be presented with, say, a couple of tiles, or maybe if you're starting fresh, you will not even see anything. Okay. Now, this is a landing page for the makers. If in your organization, if you want makers to view some sort of an app related to CoE or any external app, admin has to configure that. So now I will switch back to CU admin command center app. I go into the bookmark, and then let's assume that I have some app which I want to make it visible to maker. So example, so if I want to show them, say, app catalog. So this is one of the app. Okay. I go into edit bookmark. I go into app catalog, and under show in maker command center, I will mark this as yes. The moment I mark this as yes, though this app link should be visible to the maker. Okay, so let's refresh and see. It might take a while for change to propagate, but then this has happened quickly. So as you see your setup app is visible, and maker can click on app catalog app is visible over here. So maker can click on this particular app and then navigate to that particular application. Okay, so this is how you navigate to that particular application. Now, there is no specific link over here, and that's why it says that we don't find that app. But if I go into app catalog and say, let's assume, let me put some valid link, say google.com. Okay, and then I just save it. And if I refresh for maker, and if I go to app catalog, click on this link, then it will navigate me to google.com. Okay, so it can be a custom link, it can be any valid application within your organization, or it can be any valid application related to Center of Excellence Starter Kit. It can also be further categorized based on the section. So I can see nurture over here, as there are very few links. Now I can, if I add more links, then I'll be able to see more areas categorized over here. Second link is about the blogs. Again, I covered this in the Admin Maker Center. This is primarily a link, an external link to all the Power Platform components, blogs. If you want to see specific blog with regards to Power Virtual Agent, you will be able to see the list, and then you can launch accordingly. So if you click on launch, it will navigate you to an external link. Learning path, again, similar to admin maker command center, all the links are same. It will give you a learning path if you want to learn more about the administration or power pages component or certifications. So those all information will be visible over here. Again, if you click on this particular tile, it will navigate you to docs.microsoft.com, and you can learn more about, say, certifications or any other new technology. Release wave notes, again, same as admin maker command center link. It will help you see the releases by Microsoft related to Power Platform, Power Pages, Power Virtual Agent, Dataverse, etc. Again, it's if you click on this link, it will navigate you to learn.microsoft.com, and then you can learn some more information about it. So that's it, folks. This is mainly about CoE Maker Command Center. There's nothing much happening in this app. It's just a bookmark link which is surfaced out by admin. So admin controls what the maker sees within the style. Thank you.